The new Allmand Lite Pro V-Series portable light tower features a multi-section extendable mast that is always oriented in the vertical position. The lamp fixtures on this unique light tower are completely contained within the footprint of the trailer. Unlike conventional light towers, the lights do not overhang the rear of the trailer enclosure. This greatly reduces the possibility of damaging the light fixtures in transit and reduces the amount of space required for storage. This feature, along with the heavy-duty lift bar and forklift pockets, allow up to 16 V-Series light towers to fit on a standard flatbed semi-trailer. Available with Lamborghini, Kubota, or Cat diesel power, the radiator cooling fan for each model engine is a pusher type. The advantage of this is that the cooler outside air is drawn into the enclosure through the vents on the side, and heat from the radiator is forced outside of the enclosure. The engine exhaust also exits through the rear of the enclosure. The exhaust is flush with the rear panel, minimizing the possibility of anyone contacting the hot exhaust pipe. And with the pusher fan, this also reduces the possibility of recirculating exhaust gases into the engine air intake. Environmental protection is always an issue on any job site. The full fluid containment system on the V-Series virtually eliminates the possibility of environmental contamination due to an oil or a fuel leak in the trailer. The containment system holds a minimum of 110% of the fuel and oil used in the operation of the light tower. A readily accessible remote oil drain helps make scheduled maintenance easier than ever. There's no need to crawl under the trailer to change the oil in the engine. There's also a drain plug in the floor pan that allows any fluid that collects in the containment system to be easily drained into an appropriate container for disposal. The 30-gallon poly fuel tank is centered over the trailer axle, maintaining the balance of the trailer regardless of the amount of fuel in the tank. The towing characteristics of the V-Series trailer do not change as the level of fuel in the fuel tank changes. Sturdy, double-wall molded poly fenders resist damage, yet are easy to replace if necessary. Like all current Allmand light towers, the Pro V-Series features a galvanized, adjustable height and reversible hitch assembly with a combination 2-inch ball coupler and 3-inch pedal type hitch, as well as a galvanized removable 3-inch square tube drawbar assembly for maximum turning radius. The drawbar also serves as the front outrigger, and the attached screw jack is used to level the trailer and also to aid in connecting to the towing vehicle. There are 2 sliding outriggers with screw jacks at the rear of the trailer. Each is held in place with a captive lock pin. The outriggers are plated to resist corrosion and have an extension stop so that they cannot be pulled out of the frame. The captive pin will engage a hole in the outrigger when it is fully extended. The screw jacks can then be rotated into position and used to level the trailer. The Allmand Pro V-Series light towers use heavy-duty 12-gauge steel for the enclosure doors and roof panels, and stainless steel door hinges for added durability. A manual latch clip holds the door open to access the controls. Rotate the ignition key to activate the glow plug timer. When the glow plug indicator goes out, rotate the key to start the engine. The 4 exclusive SHO-HD lamps may be positioned from ground level without the use of tools. Pull the spring-loaded pin to release the light bar latch and rotate the light bar as necessary to position the lights. A step plate is provided on the trailer drawbar to allow the operator to easily reach and aim the lights. Position each fixture to allow maximum coverage of the area to be illuminated. Each V-Series tower is plated to maximize rust protection and has adjustable nylon wear blocks between each section. A spring-loaded reel manages the excess power cable as the mast is extended or retracted, eliminating the stretching and tangling that is common with coiled cord. Flip the winch circuit breaker on and operate the winch switch to raise the mast. The winch switch is located toward the rear of the enclosure, away from the operating components of the mast. As the mast is being extended or retracted, a warning beeper reminds others in the area to remain clear of the operation. Allmand Lite Pro V-Series light towers are extremely quick and easy to set up. The mast extends from its stowed position to full operational height in less than 40 seconds. Use the light switches on the control panel to turn each bank of lights on. The lamps require about 3 to 5 minutes to attain full brilliancy. Allmand's exclusive SHO-HD lighting system features 4 1250 watt metal halide lamps with 150,000 lumens of lighting power per lamp. This totals 600,000 initial lumens per trailer. 3 Allmand Nightlight Pro light towers provide more lighting power than 4 of any competitive light tower. Fewer light towers on the job mean not only less initial investment or rental cost, but also significantly reduced fuel and maintenance cost as well. To shut down the light tower and prepare for transportation, switch off the lamps and lower the mast. Fold the lamps down with the lenses facing each other, but be careful, the lamps may be hot. Rotate the light bar and secure it in the transport position with the spring-loaded pin. With the mast retracted and the lights turned off and stowed, the engine may be safely shut down. Unfasten the door holder clip, close and latch the door. Retract and fold the outrigger jacks. Lift the retaining pin and slide the outriggers into the trailer until the pin falls into place and secures the outriggers. Read and follow the setup and operating guide on the door and in the operator's manual for detailed instructions. A 120 volt 20 amp GFCI protective receptacle is available for auxiliary power. An opening on the side of the trailer allows the doors to be closed when the auxiliary receptacle is being used. Spare parts and accessories are available from your dealer or directly from Allmand. Please be sure to reference the unit serial number with any parts or service inquiries. Family owned and family operated since 1938, Allmand Assurance is your assurance of quality, value, and innovation in portable lighting.